If you don't love Excel but still need to crunch numbers, this guide is for you. Creating a formula in Excel is surprisingly easy. First, select the cell where you want your result. Now, type an equal sign, equal sign. This tells Excel you're entering a formula, not just text or numbers. For example, to add the numbers in cells A1 and B1, you would type equal sign A1 plus B1. Simple, right? You can use operators like plus for adding, for subtracting, asterisk for multiplying, and for dividing. Need a sum? No problem. To sum the numbers from A1 to A5, type equal sign sum, A1A5, and hit enter. Watch Excel do the magic. Once you've typed your formula, just press enter. Excel calculates the result and displays it in the selected cell. With these simple steps, you'll be an Excel pro in no time. So go ahead, give it a try, and wow everyone with your new skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips.